Hello everyone, welcome back to our series. This is Learn English Through Daily Life. Today, we will learn how to speak while shopping online. In simple English, don't worry. I will use easy English and speak slowly. Let's begin. Basic words: order, delivery, price, discount, cart. These words are very useful for online shopping. Now, let's learn sentences. I want to buy this. Is delivery free? How much is it? I added it to my cart. My order is late. These sentences are used every day. Now, listen carefully.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to order shoes.
Sure. What size do you need?
I need size 42.
Okay, we have that size available.
What is the price?
It is 3,000 rupees.
Is there any discount?
Yes, today we have 20% off.
That's great. How many days for delivery?
Maybe 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
Would you like to place the order?
Yes, please.
What is your address?
My address is...
Thank you.
Can I pay cash on delivery?
Yes, cash on delivery is available.
Perfect.
Your order has been confirmed.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Useful expressions: my order is delayed. I want to return this. Can I exchange the size? The product looks good. That's all for today. Now you can speak while shopping online. In simple English, in the next episode, we will talk about travel conversation. If you enjoyed this, please follow and share, and remember, learning English is easy when you practice daily. See you next time. Goodbye.